is Friday. What's today's date?
April 20th.
Woohoo. I never know the date.
I don't either, but it just came to me.
And we are headed over to the Expo for the Star Wars Half Marathon weekend. This is my first time doing this race weekend. Same with Jackie. You're a veteran. This is Kimberly. Y'all know Kimberly.
I've only done it once before though, so.
And we have Jenna Lynn and Steven over there. Am I getting you guys? So I'm very excited. We're very excited.
And we got our Star Wars on.
Well,
little Chewie.
She I've got the Chewie. We're gonna make a bow for Chewie and take him out to the 10K course.
He's gonna support the 10Kers, so come look for Chewie.
Stop for Chewie. Jenna in her pretty Star Wars shirt. Then we have Kimberly with her pretty Star Wars shirt. Yes. Jackie has a Star Wars dress on, and then you have Laura. No Star Wars.
Black though.
Black.
Yeah.
All the Star Wars here. Then, the Visa Athletic Center, which you can see from here.
There's Leslie. There's John. We're going to get our bibs now, and then our gray shorts. Yeah, so pretty cool. Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy. There it is.
Cover your nose when you got a sneezy.
And then they have little pens at the end.
It's gonna take us forever. It's gonna take us forever.
I know.
At least 2 seconds. I mean, honestly, we have things to do.
We gotta get to the pool. We need sun.
I need sun.
I do too.
All right, so
All right, pretty ladies, where to next?
I need to get the challenge.
Get our beautiful gray shirts.
I have to get my challenge.
Can't wait.
Get it, Jenna Lynn. Hey, look how cute these ears are. Now, what did you make that bow out of?
My jeans.
Wait, it used to be
My jeans. I cut them off and I made my bow out of it.
That's too cute. Great job.
And it's from your how-to video.
Oh, awesome. Love it.
Yep.
Love it. Look at them. Again, spotlight, spotlight. Okay, so we are done with the expo, and it was so chill. Guys,
Oh my goodness. Star Wars is awesome.
Super relaxed.
Yeah.
Great. We had a good time.
plenty of merchandise. We were just lollygagging through everything. Got some really fun character pictures. Saw Rudy, the botany.
Awesome.
Another thing on our bucket list for runDisney, check, is done. So lots of fun. We're gonna go back and check into Boardwalk, and we have our meetup. So,
Yep, so we'll see everybody there.
all right, take care. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you would like to. Thank you, Jackie. And as always, take care and have a what?
Joyful day.
We should have rehearsed. just do a video and sing, wow? Oh, Leslie, do it! Do it, Leslie, please. For the love of God, do it.
I need one more beer before I can do it.
Someone buy her a beer, quick.
I can agree to that.
Wait, do we have enough video?
Time out, everybody.
Sorry.